All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So it's time to give you a video on the OnePlus 7T accessories coming in. And this one here is from Ringke. This is the Fusion X. You can see the Fusion X is now on Amazon Prime. You can get it right here. It comes in 3 colors: black, the camo, and the blue. Obviously, I have the blue right here. The camo is definitely the top dog in my opinion, but having a blue device, I wanted to match it up the same. So $12.99 on Amazon Prime. You can grab whichever one you want. They're all going to be great for protection. So $12.99. Let's crack open the case here, and eco-friendly. You know what I'm saying? You know how Ringke does it, man. Thank you, Ringke, for sending out cases for review. I appreciate them sending this out. I love working with them. Great team over there. The Fusion X, folks, to me, from Ringke, has moved to like the top slot, and that's just how I feel about it. It's just the top case right now that they have. So I like how they're doing this, man. You know, you're gonna get some corner protection on here, and you're gonna get a nice grip on here. You've got Fusion X just right there, and then you've got the volume rockers on this side, a little spot for a lanyard. Your charging port, speaker, and mic are out. And then on the top here, you got the mic out. And again, the vibrate mute switch is out with the power button with ridges. So we're gonna go ahead and take this inner part off here. They've gotten really good. Look at how easy that comes off, man. Wow, that's just the way you do it. They've definitely upgraded their game as far as putting those on there, because I remember plenty of people getting trolled by those. They just pop right off. Boom, there it is. And I wanted to go with the blue because I have the blue skin on here, and I want to keep it all blue. And boy, oh boy, does that look great. So quick access to the vibrate mute switch works perfectly fine. And then you got your power button, works good. Volume rockers, nice and tactile. Very, very nice, very clean. Lay on the table design. You got bumper protection on the top of each corner. So when you lay it down flat, if you don't have a tempered glass on there, you're still going to be covered. So the clear back, to me, just sets it off with this skin. I just think this is a perfect combination, and it just looks really good in my personal humble opinion. The blue on the blue on the blue. All mics, all ports, everything is working out perfectly fine, man. I do have tempered glasses coming in. I'm sure they'll work with this case as well. You got some Ringke branding down there again. And then on the other side here, you got the Fusion X right here. So this case is the truth. Like for real, for real. This is really nice, folks. I'll leave a link down below. Be sure to check that link out. No kickbacks or anything to me, but just to support Ringke, man. I appreciate them supporting me. So hit that link in the description to buy yours. And this is the current setup on the blue OnePlus 7T. I'm loving it, man. I'm loving that skin. I'm loving the combination right here. Skin is Sophie Guard. The case is Ringke. Let's get it going. OnePlus 7T. See you in the next video. Take care.